Hello, my lovely students. It's nice to meet with you once again. I trust you are all doing great. This is LIS 205 Internet and Information Searching. Today we are having lesson 7 Basic Steps for Information Searching. Basic Steps for Information Searching. It promises to be a nice one, so sit back and relax. I am Dr. Ajay Ifoma Abigail from National Open University of Nigeria, Faculty of Education, Department of Library and Information Science. I'll see you in class. Like I said earlier, the lesson for today is the internet as a medium of access to enhance learning, which is education, to enhance research, and then to enhance communication. Sit back and relax. I have a class activity for you. The question is, how do you think the internet can enhance education? Just think about it. How do you think the internet can enhance education? Let me help you out with the question. How the internet can enhance learning, which is also education. The internet opens doorways to wealth of information, wealth of knowledge, wealth of educational resources for people to access and use. The internet increases opportunities beyond the classroom level, and this helps with learning, this helps with education. It offers learners freedom from physical limitation. It reduces constraints of space, constraints of time, constraints of geography. So people that are not in different places, that don't have different time zones, they can actually fix a time which is convenient for everyone and then learn. The internet promotes collaborative learning in a distance learning environment, and students can share information, they can communicate it with one another, they can also discuss with one another. How the internet can enhance learning cannot be overemphasized. People have access to learning in a way that they did not think was possible, and it is of benefit to the society. More people are getting educated in the comfort of their homes, or even the working class. They can run open and distant learning education and graduate and get promoted at work. So the internet has enhanced learning a great deal. The next thing we're going to discuss is, how can the internet enhance research? How can the internet enhance research? The internet has enhanced research in various ways. Nowadays, people can carry out their research with ease. Data is automatically coded. The cost of research is drastically reduced. Then people can actually obtain a large sample via the internet. In fact, all their resources that they need, except they need physical ones, can be got online through the internet. So it has made research very easy. Nowadays, people don't have to travel from Lagos to Kano just to get information about a school or something. They can get all those information online. So the internet has enhanced research a great deal. The next thing we're going to discuss is, how can the internet promote communication? Like I'm speaking with you now, I'm communicating with you via the internet. We are not necessarily in the same space and time, or even geography, but we are communicating. The internet has allowed people of all nationality and ages to communicate. It has helped business purposes. People can hold Zoom meetings, conference meetings, people in different time zones. They just fix a time and everybody comes online, and then the business meeting can be done. Documents can be gotten across the globe internationally. They can communicate to and fro. The internet is like a vehicle for interpersonal communication and interactivity. By that I mean when people have FaceTime, WhatsApp calls, Facebook calls, and so on. There is mass delivery of message through the internet. That is communication. People can chat, people can text, people can do all sorts of things. There is direct link to the public. It's just a global tool for reaching out to people in different places. So the internet has also promoted communication a great deal. This one cannot just be overemphasized because every day we communicate with our colleagues, with our peers, with our loved ones. Communication just gets easier day by day with the internet, and time is not a constraint. Space or geography is not a constraint anymore. I have another class activity for you. The question is, how can the internet enhance education, research, and communication? Kindly send your answers to the email address I'll provide at the end of this lesson, and I promise I will respond. The question is, how can the internet enhance education, research, and communication? In summary, you have learned how the internet enhances learning, which is education, and this can be done in various ways. It increases opportunities beyond the classroom level. It offers learners freedom from physical limitation, reduces constraint of space, time, and geography. It also promotes collaborative learning in a distant learning environment, and students can share, they can also communicate. The internet promotes research. It improves the ability to obtain large sample. It reduces the cost of research, and data is automatically coded with the internet. The internet aids promotion in the sense that it allows people of all nationality and ages to communicate. It enhances business purposes. It makes things possible. People can have Zoom meetings, conference meetings. It's a vehicle for interpersonal communication and interactivity. That is, people can have FaceTimes, they can do WhatsApp, they can exchange different means or different ways of communication easily. So the internet actually enhances learning, promotion, it enhances learning, communication, and research in various ways. If you have any questions as regards what I have just said, kindly send your questions to iajie@noun.edu.ng, and I will definitely respond to your question. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next class.